Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to trace door and window in Revit. So let's start. So for that first here I am in ground floor plan. Here you can see window and door is not visible. If you want to see, so as I told you in VCB always hit on fire frame. When you hit on fire frame from here, so now the window everything is visible now. Okay, now what you have to do, here we need to create the window. Okay, which type of window you want? So first try to measure the width of that window. So I'm using the di command. For this window I'm using wall faces from this face to this face. How much size, width? 1789. Okay, remember, now I am trying to place the window. Okay, and width is 1789, remember. So to place the window, architecture tab, build panel, window. So when you hit on that window, here in property palettes only one window is visible. Different, see, this type of window is also available. If you want to place this one, okay, can select. If you want to load it, so you can load it from load family. Okay, already I have discussed that. Suppose I want to place this type of window, select any of the window, hit on edit type, duplicate, and write down this here, create one new window. How much width? 1789 mm. So I have written. Okay, now from here you have to change the width. See how much? 1789. Height just leave it as per your requirement. Okay, hit on OK, and now just you have to select that window, place it exact here like this. Just place it exact. Getting? Like this. Now select this window, move it little bit here. Now see the placement of that window in 3D. So in this way you have to place. Now silk height, how much you want to take? If you want to move the window up, okay, you can move it. Suppose I am taking 1000. Seal height means from floor to this bottom of window, how much height you want. Okay, means how much gap you want. So as per that requirement you can take it. So if you want to move little bit up, you can move it, okay, as per your requirement. So we know that the total height is, suppose I want to take 1200 mm. Okay, now it's clear, 1200. Okay, seal height. Now come here, in ground floor only we have to place another window here also. So first try to just measure the width from this point to this point, 895. Okay, so take the window from here. Same, I have selected another window, edit type. How much we have taken? Width. See, the width of that window is 895. Okay, remember this thing. So now in window, architecture tab, window, from here select this window, hit on edit type, duplicate. Now just write down the name, window, and their width, 895 mm. Okay, hit on OK. From here also you have to change the width, 895 exact. Okay, now place that window here where you want to place, exact here, place it. Now little bit just select that window, move it here. Okay, exact placement. Same window we have to place here also. I think this dimension is same. If you want to confirm, just move it and see. Yeah, this window is also same. When you select both of windows, see, seal height is showing 9. I want to take same height, seal height 200 for this window also. Hit on apply. Now you can see in 3D the window which we are placing here, it is there. Okay, same way come to next one. Here also we have one window. I think this only same. 1 minute. Now hit on window. Already we have created one window of 1789. Place it here exact like this. Okay, now select this window, move it little bit like this, and seal height always remember, for all window I am taking 200 mm. Okay, here. Now see, in washroom also we have one window. So here also I need to place the window, but I want to place this type of window, fixed type. So first try to measure the width from this point to this point it is 596. I think this window is also 596 only. Okay, yeah, 596. Okay, so no problem. Hit on window, select which type of window you want, edit type, duplicate, write down the name, window 595, hit on OK, and here also 595 I have written the width. Okay, place it, but it is not 595. Just 1 minute, huh? It is 596 exact. Okay, so just wait, hit on window 596. So hit on edit type here. Okay, in place of height I have written that. Remember, we have to place of width we have to do the changes na. So that is why I'm selecting another window 596. Hit on edit type, duplicate, window 596 width. Don't need to change the height. Okay, remember, change the width only 596. Okay, now place it here exact. Okay, one window we need to place here also. Place it here. Getting? Now when you open in 3D view, you can move it little bit. So what I am doing, selecting both of window with the help of control key. Now seal height I am taking same. Okay, 1022. Getting? So now see, you will get the window like this. Okay, so anywhere here also we have same window, I think same dimension. So window, from here select same window which we have created here, window 1789. I think same. No, the dimension different width is there. Here width is same 1789. So after the placement just little bit move it. Okay, like this, and change the width first. From here change the seal height 1022. Okay, now again architecture tab, window, from here I am selecting same window and place it here. Here it is not possible. Here see, the width is same, just move it little bit and change the seal height 1200. Enter. Okay, same way for remaining you have to do. Okay, see, in this way we have to place the window in the room. For first floor also you have to do the placement, that all you have to do. Now for the next floor, next we have to place the door also. Okay, so here you can see the door option is given here. So I want to place the door, so architecture tab, door, hit on that door. What is the diameter, you can just check it from here, dimension of that door, and as per that you can place it like this. Here also you need to place, change the direction from here and then place it. Okay, whatever, but see here the different. So from here just first try to check the door. Okay, then only you can place it like this. For this one also, see here I have placed in 3D. When you see na, actually the door placement is not visible if you want to see. So see, I'm just removing one wall so it is clear for you. See, here we have placed the door na? So you can place any other types of door also as per your requirement. So for that you have to load it. Okay, just I am showing for your understanding purpose here. Place the door like this, little bit move it. Okay, okay, now where here wherever you want to place the door you can place it. So in this way we have to trace the window and door in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.